There's a weapon that delivers excellent performance at a price far cheaper than US systems and can be delivered much faster. Which country do you think produced it? This is how the New York Times and military experts describe weapons made by South Korea's defense industry. They even warned that the decade-long dominance of US defense companies could begin to collapse. Among them, one system stood out the most: Cheongung-II. Previously, there were doubts about its performance, since it had never been tested in real combat. But during the recent Middle East conflict, it reportedly intercepted 20 out of 30 incoming missiles and drones, silencing those concerns. The rise of Korea's defense industry accelerated after the Russian invasion of Ukraine, when demand for air defense systems in Europe surged dramatically. According to Center for Strategic and International Studies, once US defense companies hit their production limits, Korean firms began stepping in to fill the gap. And Stimson Central analysts added, unlike US companies, Korea is more willing to build overseas factories and share manufacturing know-how. So tell me, do you agree with the strengths and appeal of Korea's defense industry? If you were the buyer, would you choose Korean weapons? Leave your thoughts in the comments.